Hey everyone, we all know that the Vlookup formula in Excel is a very powerful and useful formula, but there is one particular flaw. What that flaw is when we're searching for something, and in this example we're searching the last name of King, it's going to go through the table, find that first instance of King, and bring back the information. But there's many times, such as this one with last names, there are multiple Kings or multiple last names, and we want to bring back all of them, not just that first one. So I'm going to show you how to do that really simply. So let's get started. So firstly, I just want to quickly show you the Vlookup formula. So I'll click into column G where the first name appears, and you can see in the formula bar equals Vlookup. We're looking up F2 within columns A to D, and we want to bring back column 2. So column 2 is the first name, and you can see here the first time that King appears is brought back Marin, the membership number and city when I've dragged those formulas across. But if I quickly filter this information to King, you can actually see that King appears 7 times. And I don't want to just get that first time that it appears using the Vlookup formula. I want to bring back all 7 times that King appears and the information that relates to it. I'll just quickly change King to grey, and you can see that the formula does the same thing. It's picked up the first time that grey appears, but not all the times that grey appears. So let's get started with the formula to bring back everything very quickly. So firstly, I'll just quickly go to our search cell and change that back to King, because we know there's 7 Kings in this big table and we want to bring them all back. So I'll go in and delete the Vlookup formula, and I'm going to use a different formula called the filter formula, equals filter, open bracket, the array that we're searching in, we want to bring back these 4 columns. I'm just going to press F4 to lock those cells. And we want to include all the last names of King, so we're going to select the column of last names, which is A, lock it with the F4, and we want that to equal that search cell, which is F2. And again, I'll lock that with the F4, and comma, the last part you want to do, if they can't find the name King at all, we'll just bring back the word maybe none, and press enter. And there you go, you can see that the 7 Kings have appeared, much more powerful than the Vlookup where it only brings back that first one. It brings back everything. I'll just quickly change this to grey, and you can see that all 4 greys appear. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel or hit that like button, it'll be really handy. And just to show you, if you type in something that's not in the list, it brings back the word none, as part of our formula said to do that. So I hope you enjoyed, see you next time.